Hello dear friends. This is the InStyle Knitting Studio with you. Today we will learn to knit classic purl stitches. For the sample, I cast on 10 stitches on the needles and took out one needle. I placed the needle with the cast on stitches in my left hand. In my right hand, I take the free needle. After that, we slip the edge stitch onto the right needle. We place the working yarn in front of the work. We insert the right needle into the stitch from right to left. We wrap the working yarn around the right needle counterclockwise and pull the working yarn through the stitch on the left needle. We slip our working stitch off the left needle. We move everything to the right. Once again, we bring the working yarn to the front of the work. We insert the right needle into the stitch from right to left. We wrap the yarn around the right needle counterclockwise, as if catching the working yarn. We pull it through the stitch from bottom to top. And we transfer all our work to the right needle. Again, we wrap the yarn in front of the work. We insert the right needle into the stitch from right to left. We wrap the yarn around our right needle. We pull the working yarn through the stitch with the needle. We slip the stitch off the left needle. We will repeat this until the end of the row. In this way, we will be creating classic purl stitches. I will knit the last stitch as a purl stitch with the grandma method. We have knitted the row with classic purl stitches. That's all for now. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments. Subscribe, give likes, and see you in new classes. Bye bye.